Good day everyone, and how are you doing? Today we'll be using Microsoft Word to learn on how to design or create a greeting card. So with this, we are going to be creating a Valentine card for our mom and dad. So to get started, let's go ahead and open our Microsoft Word. So to open your Microsoft Word, go to your Start menu, then look for Microsoft Word, and then you click on it. Good. So the first thing we need to do here is to type in Happy Valentine using the word art option. So to get the word art option, you go to your Insert tab, then you click on word art. Okay, so right here you can choose any design you want. Good. So immediately your design appears on the screen, just go straight to your keyboard and type Happy Val. Okay, remember that you are creating a Valentine card for your mom and dad. So the first thing we need to type is Happy Val, then we'll move it to the middle of the page. So how do we move it to the middle of the page? We'll move our mouse gently so that it can touch this line, okay, just the way it is on my screen. So you click and drag to the middle. Okay, good. You click and drag to the middle. So the next thing we need to do is to draw the heart shape right here. Okay, so to do that, we'll go to our Insert tab, then we'll look for shapes. Okay, so when you see shape, you click on your shapes and you look for your art sign. Okay, I have mine over here, so I will click on it, then I will click and drag down. Okay, then I will click and drag down. Good. So to change the color of my shape, I will click on the drawing tools up here, then I will select the shape style from this button over here. When I click on it, then I have a lot of colors that I can choose from. So I think I like this, so I'm going to choose this. Okay, good. So the next item we will place right after our shape will be our word art, just the way we type the Happy Val. Okay, so we'll go straight to Insert tab, we'll click on word art, then we'll choose any other design. Okay, then we'll type mom and dad. Okay, good. So now let's move this word art. So for us to move the word art, we'll move our mouse to where we have the line. Okay, you can also move yours here. So when your mouse touches the line, that means we are good to go. Okay, so we now click and drag down to place your text right under the shape. Okay, good. So the next thing we will do after that will be our border. We will try and create a border. Okay, good. So to create a border, we are going to use our clip art. So to create or to insert our clip art, we will still go to the Insert tab over here and look for clip art. So can you see the clip art over here? So I will click on the clip art. So after I've clicked on the clip art, then I have this box over here. Okay, then I can click on go to display all the clip art we have in Microsoft Word. So I will click on this drop down arrow to look for a design which I can use to create my border. So I have one design right here. So when I click on it, it's going to display on my screen. So before I can move it to the middle of the page, I have to go to text wrap over here. Okay, so when I click on my text wrap, I have to choose behind text so that it will align at the back of my text. Okay, so I can also move it to the middle, also to the middle of the page. Okay, so the next thing to do right now is to draw a shape that will really make our border to form perfectly. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw a shape. So we'll go to insert, and can you see shapes? So I will click on my shapes, then I will choose my rectangle. So after I've clicked on my rectangle, then I can go ahead and draw by click and drag. Okay, so I will click and drag to draw my shape. So I can as well go on my drawing tools, select the type of design I want on my shape. So to display all the text and shape on our design, we will click on our drawing tools, then we will click on send backward. Okay, so when you click on send backward, you see that it's sending the shape back. Okay, so that our text, shape, and this other text can show and be visible. Okay, so I can as well pick another design from here. If I want it to show, I'll still go back to my text wrap, and this time around, because I want it to show at the top of the page. Okay, so I will click on in front of text. Can you see that? So I can now drag it into my design and then shape it to look awesome. Okay, so we choose another design. So for it to appear in front of the page, we need to click on the picture tools, then we go to wrap text, and this time around we will choose in front of text. So you now see that it will appear in front of our design. Okay, so I have the design right here. Do you understand that? Good. So we have created the Happy Val card for our mom and dad. So I want you to practice along with me and be creative. Okay, have a great day.